Hey, it's NSD Kristin Sharpe with your Thursday Thankful Message. And today I want to talk to you about Seminar 2024, our biggest, most glamorous, fun, educational event that happens once a year in Dallas, Texas. Now, registration is going to open in a couple days, and you might have already heard your sales director give you the scoop, but stay on, listen, because perhaps I might give you a different perspective. So all this information I'm going to talk about as far as dates, cost, how to register is available on marykintouch.com. So you guys, Seminar in Dallas truly is, I would say, the most important event to your success in Mary Kay. Now, depending on what seminar you're affiliated with, which if you're unsure, ask your sales director. But for example, I'm a part of the Diamond Seminar. Is really dependent on when your seminar starts, okay? So there's the Emerald Seminar that goes from July 25th through the 28th. There's the Diamond that goes from July 29th through August 1st. There's the Ruby that goes from August 2nd to August 5th, and the Sapphire from August 6th to August 9th. Those dates are on Mary Kay in Touch. And I want you to know that everyone can register for Seminar, all Salesforce members, on April 29th. So we're just days away. And you can go on and register as early as 8:30 a.m. Now, when you register, depending on who your sales director is or your national, there might be a room block that you're already a part of. And oh my gosh, Mary Kay has room blocks in the most bougie, fun hotels in all of Dallas. And they're at a discounted rate because they're blocked together. So talk to your sales director because perhaps she might even have some people that already are looking for roommates that you can room with, or she might have you be a room captain and have people be in the room with you. So be ready because when you register, you're able to book your room at that same time. Now, there is a cost to going to Seminar. It's $250. Unless you're a new consultant, it's $225. But I will tell you, it's tax deductible and it's worth every penny. It truly is that important to your success in Mary Kay. So one of the top reasons people love to go to Seminar is for the education. You guys, you learn the latest and the greatest from the top directors and national sales directors. Also, it's the motivation. Literally, you get to take a step back and really see the big picture of Mary Kay and the success stories of people that it wasn't easy for, but they did it anyway. It's motivating. It's inspiring. I love the product knowledge and the sales vision because when you go to Seminar, you're the first to know about all the new product launches and prize promotions. We have what's called an expo, and it is incredible just to be able to see the prizes, talk to the scientists, like try the jewelry on for the next seminar year. It is incredible. Also, I love the glitz and the glamour. Like if you go on to InTouch, you can watch the seminar video. Sometimes people say that and they're like, wow, this is like a Vegas show or Miss America, like a Broadway show all in one. And it's true. I mean, it gives you an excuse to get in a fancy dress and get all dolled up. I love the inspiration. I love hearing from the NSD's directors and top achievers and how they overcame. I remember my first seminar when the girl that was the queen of sales was blind. And I remember thinking, well, I can see, so I have no excuse but to be successful. If she can, I can. I also love the camaraderie. You know, so many special memories are made and friends are made at Seminar because it's face-to-face. You get to meet new roommates. You get to meet people that are a part of your unit that live other places. You get to meet women and men from all across the country, and different countries come that are a part of Mary Kay to come and just see how we do Seminar in the U.S. Also, a lot of people choose to bring their husband or their spouse. So no, that's a possibility. You know, I love it because this is a tax deductible trip. That's right. I love that it's tax deductible. But also it's the fun. You guys, I just think we all need more fun in our life, and the laughter, the fun, aside from the business training, the sharing, the dancing. I mean, it is such a good time. Also, I love that you can tour the Mary Kay corporate headquarters and the manufacturing facility. I mean, I love that you can talk up close and personal with the scientists and the product development team. And I love the special recognition that we do at our area awards night and our unit awards night. So I just really want to encourage you. even if you're wondering how in the heck can I make this happen, to have a conversation with your sales director of how you can. I realize my son's starting a new school during seminar, and there's some things we've had to do to pivot as a family to make it work. But it's that important to the success of myself, my team, my area, that we're working around that. I'm finding a way always to make these Mary Kay events work. Heck, I'm going to be going with a brand new newborn baby that I'm going to be breastfeeding, but it's that important. And so log on to Mary Kay in Touch. Okay, go to events, go to Seminar 2024, watch the video, find out what seminar you're a part of. Figure out, what do you need to sell to pay for your hotel, your registration, and your airfare? The good news is right now you just have to pay for your registration. You can figure out the rest later. But ask your sales director how you can come up with a plan. It's that important to your success. Well, I wanted to read to you Mary Kay's last words at the 1999 seminar, where she was not able to speak, but she wrote this down and someone read it for her. And I thought it was just so appropriate because it was her last seminar speech. She said, "What more could any woman ask for? To be surrounded by all of you, to feel and to hear all of your love, to feel the great joy in this arena. I'm convinced I must have done something right." It's true. I did see the dream. I did see the vision. I did provide you the vehicle, and for 34 years, I've watched with such pride because you just took my dream and this opportunity and ran with it. And you will continue to run with it because there are so many women who want to follow your great example. Believe me, we have so many lives left to touch. This work will never be finished. Never, never, never. I am so blessed by each of you who are inspired by my example. Today, I would like to think that you can use my example and let it inspire you to become your own best example. It is so simple when you understand the big picture of what we're about. Then, and only then, are you fully capable of being the best you can be, inspiring others. Thank you from the bottom of my very grateful heart to allow me to touch your life. And now, listen. Now it's your turn to run with your dreams and touch more lives than you have ever imagined. Mary Kay Ash. Well, I hope that you'll make the commitment. I hope that you'll hear my heart. I hope that you'll listen to your sales director about how important attending seminar is to the success of your business, but your future, your family's future. And I just pray you will find a way to go over, under, around, or through to register and be there, even if you're not quite sure or clear on how you're going to make it happen, that you're making the commitment that you will figure it out. All right, this is National Sales Director Kristin Sharpe signing off. Remember, registration opens for everyone for Seminar 2024 on April 29th at 8:30 a.m. Central. All right, make today a day that counts.